Smile, baby. Oh yeah, do your madman typing on there. Do your Emacs typing. It is lunchtime and we're going to... You're supposed to say it. We're going to Songla. We're here. That is where we're going. Uh-huh. The best Taiwanese food that I have had in Austin. Go check it out. If you're in Austin, South Austin, go. Bumpy road though, so careful if you're jumping the car. But, dude, go try some. So delicious. Oh man, tell me that does not look so good. Oh yeah. This basil. There we go. It's like crunchy. It's so good.
It's good.
I love the plants. That was delicious. We just got done at Songla and we got the fried chicken bento box or plate, whatever, and it was amazing.
Yeah, I told Avery it's my favorite like fried chicken I've like ever had in my entire life.
That's a really big compliment coming from him. I feel like I definitely give it 10 out of 10. It's very, to me, I mean, I've never really had authentic Taiwanese food, I guess, but I would imagine that is as authentic as you can get. It's Taiwanese street food. Yeah, that's
about
what
this place.
Yeah, that's what I've heard too, but it's so good. Guys, go there. If you're in South Austin, Thicket Food Park, Songla. Go. Thank me later. So, yes, but our plans. Now we are on our way to Academy. We're going to grab a chair. They have like little $12 lawn chairs that I'm going to get because we're going to go to our little secret honey hole spot that we found. And Ty's going to do some fishing. And I'm going to do some sitting and reading. I just started A Court of Thorn and Roses. I say I just started. I'm like almost on page 200. And I love...
After like 2 days.
Yeah, after like 2 days. I've been reading like 100 pages a day. I will update y'all once I finish the book on my thoughts. I won't put any spoilers or anything, but just like how I feel about it.
The soft plastic.
Going on a little hike to scope it out. We'll see how busy it is. It's really pretty though.
Alright, but if there's a spot, then we need to try to
Okay. Sounds good. Loving all the wildflowers. So pretty. Trees. Through the honey hole. Don't really know where I'm supposed to put my chair. Really?
Okay, so this is one potential spot.
Okay. True.
But still, the water looks so stinking deep. I'm not sure I can wade.
Yeah, I feel like you probably can't wade. He's going off to explore. Life is so pretty though.
Did you go through here last time? Do you remember? This doesn't look familiar.
I don't think so.
I think we went farther down.
I think it was a pretty clear opening. What's it? Landmines? Oh gosh. Aren't mountain lions pretty small though? No, they're big?
Mountain lions are big.
Oh, there's a little road too.
Yeah, we can look down there. I want to look at this one spot.
Okay.
Possibly go down there too.
We'll let him explore first. Huh. Look at this little bee.
Was that your guy? Or do you know that dude?
Why are you so out of breath?
Sorry. I went way down there.
Really?
Yeah.
Academy special. Oh, it's so small.
That's a microchip.
It's back in here. It's perfect for this though. Yeah. Feels like it's made out of paper.
I just got putting it gently.
Don't blow that. Perfect. Well, I got really bored, so I started sketching. I'm not very good at it, but practice makes perfect. I'm just drawing what I see out here. It's so pretty. Reflections are kind of hard to draw. Looks like lips. And then this is that dead tree right there. It's not a perfect representation, it's just like a really rough sketch, but it's kind of fun drawing this. I'm just practicing the power of observation. I don't know where Ty went though. He walked off over there to go fish somewhere. Keeps leaving me. But I'm still hanging out in my chair with my water bottle and my sketch. It's really peaceful out here. A couple of people have passed by and everyone's been super friendly. But I'm just sketching away. Listen to the birds. Is it not just so beautiful, all the sounds and the water? I'm really enjoying being out here, and the weather, oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's like so cool because it's shaded by all these trees. It's wonderful. Now I just gotta find Ty. I don't know where he went. We'll see where he's at. And then we might head back up. It's starting to get dark. It's about 6:41 right now. The sun is setting and I want to head back up to the car before it gets too dark. But might pack up and maybe go grab some food. Where should we eat? I don't know.
I scared you, didn't I?
Dude, I was filming.
I scared you, didn't I?
I mean, a little bit. He left his bag on the ground and the roly-polies attacked. Look at them all. Okay, we're heading back and I'm trying not to touch all these plants because I don't know what they are. I'm wearing shorts. Oh, did you? Is it covered in
No,
brush? Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. What the heck? Whoa. Oh, that's kind of crazy. Woohoo! We made it back. Ah! We've been covered in shade for so long that the sun is burning my eyes. How'd you like your fishing spot? Oh, get the kayak.
Yep. Too much brush.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna teach all your viewers something. If you want to get ahead in fishing, you have to have better equipment than everyone else. And I don't mean nicer rods and reels. I mean, you need to have waders and you need to have a kayak. We are
He's gonna start ranting for the next 45 minutes.
At record
about
numbers
fishing.
for how many fishermen we have out there in the world right now. Mostly due to...
What are you even talking about?
This is legit true.
Oh my god. Okay, anyways, that was fun. I got to read a little bit of my book. And now we are walking back to the car. And I think we should... Ooh! Found some tracks. Cool. Anyways, I think we should get some food or something. See y'all when we get to the car. I just got finished with a 20-minute workout just to get a little bit of a sweat in, but we are about to go grab dinner. We are getting some pizza tonight, so we're gonna go pick that up and then come back here and eat it. Maybe watch a show or something nice. The pizza is secured. Time to head home.
That wasn't much of a reaction. I suppose
Avocado
this sort of thing just isn't fitting for someone like me.
Some
It would
pizza.
probably look a whole lot
Ooh,
better
it looks
on a more lovely
good.
girl like Fujiwara.
I don't know why my camera quality is so bad right now.
You put some on too.
Yum. It's got balsamic, hot honey, a bunch of types of cheeses, chicken. Looks delicious. And avocado salad. And love is war.
Yeah, you really should.
We are here. Y'all may be wondering where we are. Let me turn my maps off. Okay. We are going to Kyoko Coffee this morning. This is one of Ty's friends. Oh my gosh, hold on. So this is one of Ty's friends from work. I say friend from work. It was a customer for him. And y'all custom painted his espresso machine, correct? And they like got him all the equipment. They got him all set up with that. But he has the cutest coffee trailer truck thing. You'll see it in the video here in a minute. But his coffee is also very unique. He has some fun little flavors that he's made. Parking is a little tricky today. And I suppose it's because it's a Monday and everyone's in school. There's a school over here. Okay, but yeah, he's got some Japanese inspired drinks. So I think it'll be real tasty. Let's go have some coffee. We're having to trek a ways because we had to park a little far. It's so cute. What'd you get? Espresso? Yeah.
It's a little bit, yeah, I mean, there's, I might have to have somebody, like, custom make some for me. Yeah. Really?
This is fire, guys. It's the umami mocha. And it's got obviously chocolate. He said shiitake mushrooms. Perfect balance.
Fire. Like when I want tea, that's where I go. Like straight tea. They have this really cool patented. It's very good. It's cool.
Ah, it's hard to see. We got a hat too. Look at how cute this hat is, guys. So cute. He was so sweet. Thank you, Patrick at Kyoko. The coffee was phenomenal. So delicious. And he put so much thought into everything that he has going on there. Y'all look. Some of the litters have little cat ears on it and a tail. So cute.
They spelled coffee wrong.
No, they didn't. That's what happened with our shirts at school. They they spelled on the school that I went to. Yes, it was. They forgot the H, so it was SCOOL. It was school. 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 Let's see this hat on you. Or you're adjusting it.
I got a small head. This is the nice one though, because you can stuff the tail in here.
One of my favorite hats is made like that, where you can adjust it. I have one that's not like that.
I'm pretty sure you can
and
stuff
the
the
flap
tail
always
in here.
flies around. I can't stand it. So I love hats that are like this one.
That's almost too tight.
Oh, you look cute. Oh my gosh. I love it.
That's a nice hat.
You look really, really cute.
I like it.
Oh, I love it. So cute, all the Sanrio stuff. Yeah, it does. There's so many the anime that got us into animes. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Woo.
Oh shit.
Oh, we get front row parking. Nice. I'm going to Spokesman. I forgot to show y'all what I got from that bookstore. Nothing too crazy. Alright. I'll show y'all. First of all, I got this tiny little sketchbook, and it's pink, so it matches my desk and all my art supplies that I have right now. Isn't it cute? And it's got, I think, 80 pages? Yeah, 80 sheets. Just something that I can take along with me, put in my backpack. Have it with me all the time. It's not like a whole full-blown art thing. Art supplies. Just a little sketchbook. And the other thing that I got, the only other thing that I got, is this mechanical pencil. I've been needing a mechanical pencil to sketch with, and so I tried out some of the ones that they have. I like this one because look at the color, it's pink, matches, isn't that so cute? Somebody. And then I also liked how this one wrote, it felt really nice, and it has a little clip so I can just clip it onto my bag or whatever I want to clip it onto. So yeah, this is what I got just to be able to sketch on the go wherever I'm at. I'll have this in my backpack all the time. That's my haul. Now we're going into Spokesman and we're going to grab a coffee and just chill out for a good while because we're both crashing, very tired. I'll probably do some reading and some sketching. Drinking. So let's go get round 2 on the coffee. This is the cold brew that I got with a little half and half and some vanilla. I got a Spro served with a chocolate and some sparkling water. And this is the vibes. It's a pretty nice little setup out here. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, just what I needed. Delicious. This is what we're currently working with. This is what I'm drawing, pretty much. Just practicing the power of observation again. Drawing what I see. That's how you become a good artist, so I hear. Sorry for the noise. They're doing like construction or something. So, not only did I draw this one, but I also drew it digitally as well. Because I got bored.